Bonjour! In this video, I'm going to show you how to reproduce this letter in the style of the Apple Spring Keynote logo in Procreate. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the mask tool to put one color on top of another, and also how to blend colors on your artwork. By the way, if you want to use the same color palette, you can get it for free in the Creative Vault thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We will directly set the color background. Select the color background layer on your layers panel. Then choose the white color if it's not already this one. To create the letter, we will modify the monoline brush. Go to your brush library. Then tap the calligraphy brush set. Slide from right to left on your monoline brush to duplicate it. Tap on the duplicate one to enter in the brush studio. First, set streamline to max. Go to the tapper tab and set size to none. Go to the dynamics tab and set size to max. Go to the Apple Pencil tab and also set size to max. And finally, go to the Properties tab and set the maximum size to 80% and the minimum size to 45%. Then tap Done at the top right. Now select this green color from the color palette and set the brush size to max. When you press hard on your Apple Pencil, the brush will be bigger. And if you draw quickly on your canvas, the brush will be smaller. Now draw your letter. Test a few times to get the shape you like by adjusting the pressure and speed you give to your Apple Pencil. Duplicate your letter and select the bottom one. Tap with two fingers on it, then slide to the left to lower the opacity. We will use this one as a blueprint. Tap the one at the top. Then tap and hold with two fingers on it. You have selected the shape of your letter. Go back to your Layers panel and add a mask on your layer. If you want to learn more about masks, I invite you to watch this video. Take the color black, if it is not already that color, and the monoline brush, and draw on this part of your letter. For this part, draw the path of your brush on the first pass. Then draw to this curve of your letter. Duplicate your layer. Go to the mask of your new layer and set invert. Now you can delete this layer at the bottom. Now let's add the colors to your letter. First, slide from left to right with 2 fingers on your 2 layers to set Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Grab colors from this line of the color palette and add it one after the other following the curve of your letter. At this curve, there is the junction between the bottom and the top part of your letter, so add the same color on the same part of the 2 layers. And then continue to add the other colors in the same way on the second part of your letter. Now let's blend the colors in your letter. Go back to the first part of your letter and choose the smudge tool with the soft brush. Draw at the intersection between 2 colors to blend them. If you start on the side of one color, that color will take priority over the other color. This allows you to move your colors around if necessary. For the junction between the 2 layers, select the closest color between the 2 layers, take the soft brush with the pen tool and use it lightly between the 2 layers. and go back to the mask layer of the bottom layer and use slightly your brush with white color at the intersection. Then continue to smudge the colors on the second part of your letter. For the finishing touches, create a new layer above, tap the Actions menu, Add, copy canvas, then paste, go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to 30%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Noise Layer, slide to adjust to 5%, go back to the Adjustments menu, tap Chromatic Aberration Layer, and slide to adjust to 3%. And now you have a letter with more crispy texture. And voila! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!